Mobile app development is one of the more steadily growing fields in software development. With the current climate of things, mobile app development has become an interest to quite a few people. Microsoft Teams for video conferencing is a great example because they've seen over 1,000% in growth. Now, that in itself is astounding. Telehealth, education, and so many more industries are looking towards the mobile app development in order to help them adapt to the new climate. So join us as we go over the perks and perils of both Android versus iOS when it comes to developing apps, and maybe we can figure out which one's right for you. Android tends to offer environments that are less restrictive than iOS. The apps can run on virtually any Android device. This leads to less issues with the hardware compatibility. It also helps that Google is on your side with an extensive knowledge base for all stages of learning, so you can find help from beginner to expert level in a matter of minutes. And what you learn can be used for other things beyond just smartphones. Android apps have an entire ecosystem of devices from VR headsets, Android Auto, and so many more platforms and devices. However, this makes testing a bit difficult. A lot of people still tend to stick with their older versions of operating systems, so fixes tend to be a constant need. But with all that fixing, it comes at a cost. Developing for Android is normally more time consuming, so costs go up in return. Android is also an open source platform. This tends to mean that it has a higher chance of falling victim to cyber attacks compared to iOS. iOS app development is in one of the highest demands. The platform is fast, reliable, and easy to use, so it's no wonder that it's highly requested. It's so requested, in fact, that it has an entire ecosystem all to itself. The OS might be secluded in itself, however, the way it operates in its ecosystem make it more like a family, and it's constantly being improved with a sleek and flawless user interface and user experience. Unfortunately though, development in this fashion with iOS requires software to only run on Mac. So in order to develop for iOS, you will need at least one piece of Apple technology. And once you've built your app, there's no guarantee that it'll make it into the App Store. Apple is notoriously more demanding in regards to apps than Google Play. Apple also restricts your ability to customize the app's interface, sometimes making it difficult to add some features, especially with third-party software. Although there are many more pros and cons to Android and iOS development, at the end of the day, it's still up to you and your company based on your audience and needs. Overall, these platforms both dominate the market, they both have amazing outlooks in the future, and, most of all, the audience that they reach is massive in just about every industry. And if you're looking to build an app but don't know where to go, check out CreativeTeam.io. We're here to turn your IT problems into IT solutions. And there you guys have it. Which platforms do you guys use? Let us know in the comment section down below. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.